Hi everyone, I just wanted to create a video so that you would all get a good start to your first assignment. So I'm just going to review a couple of items. I'm trusting that you've already gone through all the information on Blackboard. So what I'm going to do is log into Blackboard. I'm going to use Firefox for that. Just going to click on my Firefox browser and wait for that to load. And then I'm going to go to the WCTC website just by typing in the address box on the top, www.wctc.edu. Then I'm going to go all the way to the bottom and click on the Blackboard link. Now in the future, what you can do is you can bookmark this link so that you can go directly to it. https://wctc.blackboard.com, and then I can log in with my username and password. Once you do that, you're going to see all of the courses that you're taking. So this is a summer course and it's fully online, and so if you were taking this on campus, you would be in class 2 days a week for 4 hours each. So it's going to take up a lot of your time in the summer, going through the book and doing homework, but I would encourage you that it's a good class and that you will all learn something. So I'm just going to go on the course link, the Micro Computer Business Apps one. And again, I trust that you've gone through all of the items on the left-hand side here. Once you've reviewed all those items, then when you're ready to start your assignments, you're just going to go on the Assignments button on the left. And this will, of course, talk to you about the assignment policy, the grading rubric, and I would encourage each one of you to look at this assignment schedule and print it out and put it by your computer. That's what I have by my computer, because this assignment schedule, if I click once on the link, it will bring up what I need to do each week and when. So it's a pretty handy item to have printed out. So as you can see, we're going to start with Outlook Unit A. We're going to go through the lesson, and I've identified what pages that's on. And in the lesson, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be sending an email, and you can send me that email. So I've put my email address on there. So when it says email a friend, you can certainly send that email to me. So you're going to go through the lesson, which has no points available, but that's where you learn. And then for your assignments that you will turn in, you're going to go through the skills review. That's worth 10 points. The independent challenge, and that's worth 20. Okay? You're also going to be, for week 1, assignments are due on June 14th. By 10 p.m., you're also going to be going through Word Unit A and Word Unit B. Okay, so again, I would print out this assignment schedule to make sure that you know what you're doing and when. So I'm just going to close that for now. And then I'd like to just show you what the book looks like. So hopefully you've already received this book or purchased it at the bookstore. This is what the cover looks like. So it's Office 2010 for MBAI 1. And it's got a SAM component, but this book is really important because you'll be using that weekly to go through your assignments. So now if you do have your book, you should go ahead and open your book, and first thing you're going to do is you're going to be looking in Outlook. Okay, now for Outlook, you can actually use your WCTC email to go through these exercises. So I've just scanned in a page in Outlook here, and so the white pages are your lesson. So again, the lesson's something you go through on your own. No need to turn things in for the lesson. But as you can see, what happens in your lesson, I'm going to zoom it in a little bit, is you've got different steps. Okay, now this is about page, I don't know, 8 in Outlook that I've scanned in. But anytime you see in bold, these are things that you're going to be doing in Outlook. And then at times, you'll be asked to attach a file or open a file from your data files. Okay, so you may be asking where your data files are. Let me show you where your data files are. If we go back to Blackboard, if you keep going down under assignments, guess what? Here's Outlook Unit A. And if we click on that link, that's going to bring us to your data file that you'll be using for the lessons in the book. Okay, so all your data files are going to be within your assignments within the appropriate folder. So hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, make sure that you send me an email, or you can post it on the discussion board. But I want everyone to have a good start to the class. So again, the lesson you do not turn in any assignments for. The skills review you will. So the skills review is going to be the yellow pages in the book. Let me show you what that looks like. So these are assignments, okay? Anything in yellow is what you're going to turn in, okay? And so again, you're going to be going through these steps. This one is asking you to send an email to a friend, and you can put my email address in there, as well as it's going to ask you to attach a file, okay? A data file. And remember where those data files are? They're in Blackboard, under your assignments, under the appropriate specific assignment. So again, if you have questions, just let me know. But I wanted to do a little video that would help everybody to get off to a good start. Okay? Have a great day. I look forward to receiving your homework on Fridays. Hi everyone.